American 1452 Miami Center. Radar contact, climb and maintain FL-350.
Climb and maintain FL-350, American 1452. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Miami Center, American 1452 birds. Strike engine 2 failure, leveling at 4,000 feet. Request immediate return to Miami.
American 1452 Roger. Mayday acknowledged. Turn left heading 90. Maintain 4,000. Runway 9 is available. Squawk 7,700.
Left head 90, maintaining 4,000, squawking 700. Request vectors for low pass inspection.
American 1452 cleared low pass runway 9. Emergency services standing by. Advise intentions after inspection.
Roger, clear low pass runway 9, American 1452.
American 1452 tower. Visual inspection confirms debris in engine 2. No visible fire. Engine 1 appears operational. Gear appears down and locked. Confirm intentions.
Tower, American 1452 out Roger, declaring single engine landing. Request full emergency response and priority handling.
American 1452, emergency response activated. Wind 80 at 5 knots. Cleared to land, runway 9. Advise on final.
Cleared to land, runway 9 will advise. American 1452. Tower, American 1452. On final, runway 9, single gender configuration.
American 1452, runway 9, cleared to land. Emergency vehicles in position. American 1452, tower, great job. When able, turn right at taxiway Charlie and hold position for inspection.
Turning right at taxiway Charlie, holding position. Thanks, Tower.